I'm Dean, and today I'm going to show you how to create a snapshot in Scrivener. Now, snapshot is kind of what it says. It takes a snapshot or makes a copy of a document within Scrivener so that you can go back to it. So, if you, in this case, I have things broken down into episodes. Normally I would have them into chapters, but this is for a Vela serial, so these are different episodes I'm working on for it. And so right here I have episode 6, and I've already done a snapshot, and if I click on this snapshot, it says first draft. Now I can change that title to whatever I want by clicking on it. But if I click on first draft down here, it brings up the first draft, so I can actually look at it. So if I want to go back, the nice thing about this is if I want to go back, particularly if I changed a major part of something, I can always go back and look to see what's changed. In this case, the only thing that's changed is I didn't have a title, an episode number at the top of the document up here. So we can actually go here and go view on copy holder, and we can have them side by side and go across or compare them right next to each other if we want to, or we can shut this window back down again. So that's a nice feature about that. To create a snapshot, let's say we want to create another snapshot at this point, all I have to do is go up here to Document Snapshots and take snapshot, and it will put a new snapshot down here, and it just says untitled snapshot. The nice thing is it does the date and the time, which is generally the way I keep track of it, but just for the sake of demonstration, let's put second draft here. So we can put that, or we can put anything in there descriptive that would say what the difference between the version was or what changed. So like if you cut out a particular part of it, you could note that within the title if you wanted to. Finally, and this probably wouldn't happen very often, but let's say you did something and you wanted to roll back to the previous version. What you can actually do is you can go to the version and right click on it and go roll back. In fact, what you could do is you could take another snapshot at this point and actually roll it back to any version that you wanted to and work on that. And that way, if you took a snapshot of where you were and then you decide, maybe I shouldn't have gone back, let me go back and look at it, you can switch between the versions and bring back whatever version that you have a snapshot of. So that's how you create and use snapshots in Scrivener. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.